Hi, my name is Anna Choi, and welcome to the fall semester at Des Moines Area Community College. I'm just going to do this little short video to show you how to navigate your class. So, when you go to your dashboard, I should probably, let me see. You know what? Let me click onto the class, and I will do it with the student view. So, this one is for sections WW3, WW4, and WW7. If you click into the classroom, you will notice that the opening page is the course syllabus. That's your home page. So here's the course outline. Here's the section number. This is me, Anna Choi. This is my email address, though I do prefer you to contact me through Canvas here. I don't have a phone number. My office location is online. Office hours and appointments, if you email me and suggest 2 or 3 dates or times through Zoom, I can then schedule Zoom meetings with you. But I just want to point out that I live on the East Coast, so I'm on Eastern Standard Time. So make sure that they're compatible with that. Or when I confirm with you, I will indicate that as well. Here's my introduction. Here is the course information. I revised this on July 29th. That's when I kind of posted it up here. But if there are any changes, I certainly will make revisions to the syllabus. The dates is the 14-week class, 8/23 to 12/14. Or rather 16-week class. And here's the description, no prerequisites, etc. The course overview is it's a study of major living religions and how these religions enrich human lives. Here is the study expectations. One thing I wanted to point out is please just use the materials that are assigned in class. Don't Google answers. 99% of the time, it just doesn't make sense what you're Googling because it's not pertinent to the content of the class. So please make sure that you do that. Here are the textbooks that are required. And then here is the syllabus. Okay, so most people, when they go onto Canvas, they go under modules or they go under the schedule and just kind of like go through, what they think are assignments that they have to do. You really do need to go under the syllabus because sometimes there are things like read the PowerPoint. Sometimes there aren't things that you necessarily need to submit, but it's content that you need to read. So there's a quiz here. It says here in the syllabus, read the Houston Smith Hinduism chapter. If you didn't read the syllabus and saw that you needed to do that for the second week, you may not do it because it's not something that you necessarily have to submit, So really, really look at the syllabus, really follow along, and essentially it's week to week. First week is Hinduism, second week is Hinduism, the end of the second week is a Hinduism test. Same thing with Buddhism. Buddhism, second week Buddhism, Buddhism test. So as we go through the major world religions, we will be going over, taking approximately 1 to 2 weeks per religion. Like the week for Confucianism, I'm only doing it for 1 week. Week for Sikhism, I'm only doing 1 week, and so that the test will be on both of them. So if you go all the way down to Islam, there's no comprehensive final exam. Each test is on that particular religion that we just covered, and then you're not responsible for it again. So fortunately, that's great, right? There are some course policies at the end. Things about students with disabilities, academic misconduct or plagiarism, ADA, and then, of course, the course summary at the bottom. Now, of course, you're going to read the syllabus. I already know that you will, but you will also take a look at modules. And this is how, here's the syllabus. This video is just about how you can major in religious studies or minor in religious studies through the DMACC, consortium of schools, and that's just a video from Grandview saying, hey, you could do it. It's a great topic to major in. The first, in accompaniment with reading the syllabus and all the textbooks and stuff like that, you will essentially follow down this module. You will introduce yourself. That is a discussion post. You will read the PowerPoint. These are the 2 videos from me that accompany this PowerPoint. and then there's an assignment and then a quiz. Same thing here when we go over Hinduism. There is a PowerPoint on Hinduism and then 2 videos of me explaining that PowerPoint. This assumes you have done the Smith chapter readings. This assumes that you will do the Novak readings, right? So this is PowerPoint information, videos to accompany the PowerPoint information, in addition to the readings and selections outlined on the syllabus. Here's 2 assignments. These are the readings that accompany the Philip Novak book. Then here are the terms to study for the test, and then the test. And so essentially each module is the same. All right? PowerPoint, videos to accompany the PowerPoint, an assumption that you've done the Smith and Novak readings, a couple of assignments, Novak readings, terms, test. So if you have any questions about any of that, you can certainly email me. I look forward to reading your introductory statement about who you are. I have mine in there as well, so you can learn a little bit about me. And then essentially read the syllabus, make sure you don't fall behind, and follow the modules. All the grades are computed in Canvas already, so every time you look at your grade, that's basically an indication of how you're doing. I do want to point out one thing. At the end of this, oh, I don't have it in here. Essentially, the grades, it indicates exactly what the percentages are. So if you notice here, the weight is, it's not listed in the syllabus, but it is listed under grades. Assignments, discussions are 20%, tests are 60%, assignments are 20%, which is a total of 100. So the tests, the chapter tests at the end of each section are worth essentially 10% of each of your grades. So that's worth the most. And then all the discussions together are worth 20%. All the assignments together are worth 20%. So keep up with the work. If you miss 1 or 2 assignments, that's not a big deal. If you miss 1 or 2 tests, your grades will be seriously jeopardized. So just make sure that you are aware of the weight of the grades. All right. I'm on Leave Student View. You will not see these other classes. Those are the other sections from the other schools in the DMACC line. What you will see is your classroom, and essentially the syllabus will outline exactly what you need to do, and the modules will really outline the content, the major content and assignments. If you have any questions, please let me know. Essentially, the syllabus is outlined week to week, and it should not be confusing. All right, I look forward to reading your discussion post, especially your introduction post, and I will see you or read your work in a couple of weeks. All right, thanks.